Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. Today, I am going to tell you how to download iOS Instagram on your Android mobile. So let's start the video. First, you have to open the link in description. It will take you to Google Drive. Here, download this Instander application. Wait for the download to complete. The download is completed. Now extract this file in your Files Manager. Open Files Manager again. And here search Instander, and here is the file you have just downloaded from Google Drive. Now tap on this. When you tap, there is option of update. Don't update this. First go back and uninstall Instagram you already have. Now again, tap on this file, and here is the option of installation of this iOS Instagram. Simply install this iOS Instagram. After installation, open this app and log in your Instagram account. Tap on Done and then tap on Allow. The iOS Instagram is now installed to your device. Before checking its features, restart this app first. Now let's check its main features. So, by following all these steps, you can also use iOS Instagram on your Android phone for free. That's it for the video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel 99 Reviews, and I will see you in the next one.